Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben.
And we're going to smoke a pork belly like a brisket in an offset smoker.
The first thing you're going to need is pork belly. You can get this pretty much at any grocery store or online. All sorts of places to get it. We're going to be seasoning this with Killer Hogs TX brisket rub. Salt, pepper, season from up high. You get a better coating. We'll do the sides. And we'll do the top. We'll press this in and we'll go fire up the smoker. It's about 28 degrees out. I'm going to be running the pit 250 to 275 degrees. It's about 6 a.m. We'll put this pork belly on. Probably let it go for about 2-3 hours before I check on it. Not going to open the door or anything. We got the good charcoal company lump charcoal in there, 100% clean, burning, no chemicals. Using hickory and cherry wood. So let's put this on. I'm going to put the thicker end facing the fire. All right, we're going to shut this down and we'll check on it in a couple hours. So after 2 hours, everything was going good. Didn't need to do anything with it, so I let it keep going. Just keep adding wood, hickory and cherry wood. It's been 6 hours now, so I'm going to check the internal temp. Cotton liners, nitrile gloves. I'll have a link in the description. It's the only way you can pick up meat and actually feel what it feels like without those big, bulky things you see at Walmart and stuff. Starting to get pillowy soft. It's got a nice bark forming on it. Underneath looks good, nothing's burning. So we're going to do a foil boat. So basically take your aluminum foil and we're just going to curl it up. That'll help protect the bottom. It'll speed up the cooking process, but it'll also let more bark build up on the fat cap. And it's going to hold all the fat that's rendering out of the fat cap. So I'm going to end up putting this back on the top rack. It's a little hotter up there. It'll help with the rendering of the fat, and it'll also help crisp up some of the bark. All right, we'll check on this. I'm going to give it an hour. I'll check on it. With it being up on the top rack like that, I don't want it to burn. So it's been an hour. We're going to check, see where we're at. Oh yeah, this is nice and soft. Yeah, 200, 201. All right, this is done. We're going to let it rest for probably at least an hour. Let it cool down. But that looks pretty good. I'm just going to put this in a dry cooler and let it rest. So we let this pork belly sit in a cooler for an hour and a half. Let's slice it. Look at that. That can't be bad, right? I mean, it can't be good for you, but it can't be bad for the food. I learned from the last time I made this, wear gloves, because like I said, it's 50-60% fat on pork belly. So I'm going to slice it right in half. Look at that. It's a squirter. Man, that looks awesome. Look at that. Let me take a slice. Pork belly like a brisket. Let's take a couple slices. It is super tender. Holy crap. That looks amazing. This is pretty crazy looking. Look at that. Obviously it does the flop, it's pork belly. Pulls right apart. Man, that is good. It's got good fat render. That TX brisket rub is so good on pork, chicken, brisket. It works excellent just to put it on there and grill it, or you do a long smoke like this, 10 hours, 12 hours. And it's beautiful. It puts a nice bark on, good flavor, nice pillowy soft. Look at that. Man, this is juicy. Definitely cannot eat a lot of this. This is not healthy for you at all. But it's so damn good. That's our video. Today we smoked a pork belly, seasoned with the TX brisket rub, put it on a smoker. Took about 10 hours, and it's wonderful. It looks just like a brisket. It's like a little mini brisket. It's got good flavor. Obviously, it's really juicy. I'll have a link in the description for the Killer Hogs brisket rub, the Thermopen, and the Good Charcoal Company lump charcoal, 100% chemical free. All right, see ya. It's dinner time.